Welcome back. This video is here for you. I have no idea why I'm making it, but I decided to show up for it and talk to you. When we show up, do our best, we find things are going to soar. Our cells growing, flowing light. What is wrong and what is right? When will you decide that we are on a path to eternity? Nothing's real, nothing's wrong. This is one of those life songs. And the little boy said to the little girl that he knew she was real. And the little girl said, "What you wanna do?" He said, "Let's run through the magic field. We're gonna know everything is true. We're gonna find out what to do. We're gonna be what we need to be. We're gonna be the emotional tree."